for quick, safe relief from cough and sore throat. Try Dabur Hornitus, an Ayurvedic cough syrup, clinically tested for fast and effective relief. It's 100% Ayurvedic and non-drowsy, made with powerful ingredients like honey being poured, tulsi leaves, methi sticks, sliced shunthi, ginger, banapsha flower overlay, plus herbs like kantakari, talaspatra, pippali, vasaka, shati and pudina for complete respiratory support. It contains no alcohol, is non-addictive, and completely safe for daily use. Choose natural healing. Choose Dabur Hornitus. Like, share and subscribe for more health tips.